Hey everyone, my name is Jason Yavorska and I'm the product director for CI/CD here at GitLab. And this week I'm going to talk a little bit about some of the upcoming features we have for our 12.9 release. There's two that I want to mention here. The first one is the ability to keep the latest artifact for each job. And the second is always setting object direct storage upload to on, which I'll dive into both of these now. So keeping the latest artifact for each job. We have the expire in function in the product, which lets you set rules about when artifacts should expire, but it will happily expire anything that is outside of the expire in window. So if you have the latest artifact, it's often that you want to keep that around no matter what and sort of make it exempt from any expire in policy. So that's exactly what we're going to be implementing here. The latest artifact for a job on a non-deleted branch is kept. The non-latest artifact, so anything that's already out there, will follow your expire in policy. And then artifacts for deleted branches will also follow the expire in policy. So the combination of these things will let you set an aggressive expire in policy so that things are being cleaned up and that you're taking advantage of the cleanup that happens inside of GitLab to make sure that you're not using too much space. But it will also make sure that you have that latest artifact. So if you ever need to redeploy, if you ever need to do anything like that, it will always be kept around. So hopefully that helps. And it's one that we're really looking forward to releasing because it's been a popular issue. It's out for a while and happy to take it on. And the next one's a little bit more tactical, but what this feature does is we'll make sure that the configuration for object storage direct upload is always set to on. And this will make it so CI is easier to set up, and it will help avoid some situations where the configuration that happens in the Cloud Native chart is not the most conducive configuration that should be done. So this will be a smarter default. It'll make sure that CI works out of the box when you're using the Cloud Native charts, and should just make things simpler to set up and maintain with GitLab, which is always one of our goals. So besides that, we've got P2 issues that we're fixing. We've got other features that are coming out, but these are the top ones that I wanted to touch on. So thank you, and looking forward to hearing your feedback once we deliver these features. Thanks.